and she's looking pretty good. This is my old setup, my old computer, all built in one case. It's pretty shabby. I think we'll get it put together once we start cutting. But anyways, it is running Mach 3 through a G540 out to 380 ounce steppers, and she's already moving. She's definitely not configured properly yet, but she's moving. She's quiet. She seems to work pretty good. We'll go ahead and get her configured for the tooth and pitch for the rack and belt, and then we'll move on to the smooth stepper starting later this week. Build a brand new box, and we should have a successfully cutting product hopefully by the weekend. Hopefully I can start self-replicating some new parts and doing a few improvements here and there, but overall she works great.